So this is the demonstration for the tool which allows us to monitor the incoming traffic to our website. This traffic is on port HTTP port, which is port 80, and this will analyze the location details, which can also be used for research purposes, as it will as in case of HTTP honeypots. So let me show how it is done. So basically this is now monitoring my website, which is sovikala.info. To this, so left hand is my local machine and right is the Ubuntu machine, Ubuntu server on which this website is hosted. I have compiled Huntsman for Linux AMD64, and then using SCP I have sent it to the server machine. So you can see that it is there. Now let me show how you can use it for monitoring purposes. So if you do ipinfo, then help, this help is provided in all the segments. So here you can see. So now let me tell you that there are three ways in which you can get the location details out of an IP. First is that you just provide the IP using --IP, then just provide the IP or the domain name and will provide you the location details. Second is you use tcp-dump tool to fetch or capture the traffic and store it in a log. Then you pass the log to this tool and this will analyze. So this, which I've highlighted, is the second way to use it. Third is the read stream. Using this, you can in real time fetch the traffic to your website and generate the location details. And there is an option to persist. Using persist, you can store it to the database so that you can draw analytics on it later on. Let me show you how you can do it in stream format. ipinfo, then so I want it to persist. You provide -p and will persist to the database. So if you are persisting, then you need to provide the configuration, and configuration you need to provide in JSON format, a sample of which you can find in the README, that what you need to populate config.json with. I want to persist, I provide a configuration details. Now I need to provide stream option so that it starts reading from the stream. It says configuration found, now it is parsing the data. Now if I try to produce some traffic by clicking different, you'll see that its location details will be generated. Initially it takes some time. I think this is for flushing purpose. So you see that traffic is being generated and it says that the traffic is coming from Maharashtra. This is the latitude, longitude, time zone. So it is showing Maharashtra because right now I'm connected to a VPN, and this VPN is of India, and in India the server is in Mumbai, so it is showing this one. So you see that the details is generated here corresponding to every request. So I've highlighted the last request, so if I just click on another one, you'll see that it will be updated in real time. It takes a bit of time. This is for flushing purpose, so tcp-dump is flushing the output to Huntsman. Huntsman is further analyzing it, then storing it in the database. So if you want to see, so since we have persisted it, let me show it in the database. This is the database in which I've been collecting. You can see the India should increase. Right now it is 12, so it just became 29 as you saw. Now let me make some more requests. I'll be using my mobile right now, so you might not be able to see it. I'm from my mobile, I've connected to Austria, so you see that it took some time to refresh, and now it got updated. All the requests. So this is the Austria one. So this Austria is the one that I'm connected to VPN via my mobile. So the request is coming from here. So now let me change the server to, so as you can see in screen, the latest request is from Austria. This is from my mobile. Now let me change it to let's say Berlin. I've just changed my VPN on my mobile to Berlin. Now I'm making a request to my website from my mobile, and you'll see a request will come from Germany. So you see the country is Germany, the region is B, Berlin, city, it provides a location, zip code, the IP of the server. So our graph will also be generated. So right now you don't see anything from Germany, but if you refresh it, you should be seeing from Germany. You see Germany 4 request came. So this is how you can configure in real time. Another use case I can show you that how to just use this simple terms like provide an IP, provide a domain name, and you'll get the location details of it. So what you need to do, huntsman ipinfo minus IP, and then just provide any domain name. So let's say I want to check for netflix.com. It will show me. So it is showing that it is the IP, it is the one that I got connected to. That server is here in Dublin. This is a simple use case, and this is in stream format. Thank you for watching.